Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to create a fillable PDF from and then make it read only. Open your PDF from and select tools option and scroll down or up. Here we will find this prepare from option select. Now select start and wait. Automatically detected this field as a text field. Now select preview option and check this. Here you can type text, number, also you can type here date. Now select edit option. I will add a text field. Now select this text field option. I'll do the text field now. Okay. Now select right button for properties and go general option. Here you can change text field name. Also you can add tooltip. You can make this field visible, hidden, and make this field read only. I'll make this read only after typing. And appearance option. You can change border color, line thickness, thin, fill color is white. Also you can change line style and font size also auto. Text color you can change. I'll make this black and font style is times bold. Now select option. Here you can center a text. Also you can right align, left align, and center text. You can add multi-line. Also you can add limited character. Now simply select close and preview and type here your text. Okay. Now select again edit option and select right button for properties and go general option and select this read only option and select preview. You cannot edit text, you cannot retype text, also you cannot remove this text. This text field already make flatten and read only. Also I'll make this text field read only. Select properties option, then option and read only. Now select close and preview and see this. You cannot type text, also you cannot remove this text, and this text field you can type text, number, text, number. You cannot, again you can remove properties option read only, close and preview. Now you can type retype text, also you can remove type text. Also I'll make this text field read only, properties, read only. In this way you can make all of this field as a read only. Select Ctrl A or and select properties and you can make all text boxes read only. Also you can manually make this text boxes at read only. Yeah. Simply select close option and select file option, save or save as your fillable PDF. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.